Hello everyone! A couple months ago I thrifted this black petticoat to go underneath my vintage skirts. Unfortunately, it fits me too big. As you can see, when I put it on, it just slides down. But that's okay, we can fix that. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to adjust an elastic waistband to fit your size. We're going to start with our seam ripper. We're going to start tearing all the threading that holds the elastic waistband. Now that you've seam ripped all the threading that holds the elastic waistband, you're gonna unfold the fabric and take the elastic waistband out. You're gonna cut it open and you're gonna wrap it around your waist to get your waist measurement. You're gonna cut 1/2 inch from where the elastic meets. With the elastic aside for now, you're going to create an elastic casing by folding our fabric twice. The measurement for this depends on the width of your elastic. For example, if your elastic is 1 inch, you're going to fold 1 1/4 inches. Once you have it pinned, you're ready to straight stitch it down. It should look something like this. I use red thread so that you guys can see it better. Grab 2 safety pins and attach them to the ends of the elastic. You're going to grab one of the safety pins and push it all the way through the elastic casing that we did. Fold the elastics one over the other and straight stitch across it. And you're done! Thank you guys so much for supporting me by watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Bye!